then we have the third work example on quotient rule. Find the derivative of y is equals to 3x plus 2 all over 3x. Don't forget that from my previous lesson, I told you that the first step is to identify your u and v. And I told you that u is the numerator. Therefore, this will be the numerator. So I'm going to call this u. And v is the denominator. After this, the next step is to remember your formula. Don't forget that the quotient rule formula states that dy all over dx is equals to v du over dx minus u dv all over dx all over v squared. The meaning of this formula is that we are going to keep the denominator, which is v, we are going to keep it constant, and then multiply with the derivative of our numerator, that is the u all over dx, minus, we are going to keep the numerators, which is z, we are going to keep it constant, and then find the derivative of the denominator, which is the derivative of v, all over v squared. That is, we are going to raise v to this to squared. So let us continue. Having known this formula, we can see that from this formula I still need to find the derivative of u and v. So since u is equals to 3x plus 2, derivative of u, which is respect to x, is equals to 3. So v is equals to what? The denominator, which is 3x. The derivative of v, which is the v all over the x, is equals to 3. So I have found the derivative of u and v. The next step is to proceed to substitute all these parameters into this formula. So I'm going to have dy all over dx is equals to v. Don't forget that v is 3x. So I'm going to have a big bracket, 3x multiplied by du all over dx. Du over dx is 3. So 3x multiplied by 3 minus u. Don't forget that u is 3x plus 2. So I'm going to have 3x plus 2 multiplied by dv all over dx. dv over dx, oh, this is x, so dv over dx is 3. So that will be 3 also. All over v squared. Don't forget that v is what? 3x. So I'm going to have 3x squared. So dy all over dx is equals to 3x multiplied by 3, that is 9x. 9x minus 3x multiplied by 3, that is 9x. 9x plus 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6. So all over 3x raised to the power of 2, that is 3 times 3, 9, and x times x, that is 9x squared. So dy all over dx is equals to 9x minus 9x minus multiply by plus 6, that is minus 6 all over 9x squared. So dy all over dx is equals to 9x minus 9x, that is 0. So I'm going to have minus 6 all over 9x squared. You can reduce it by dividing by 3, but I just leave the answer like that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please, I would like you to subscribe to this channel and also hit the notification bell.
On this channel, you will find information, concepts explanation, tutorials video with detailed explanation that will assist you in gaining more knowledge and insight. In addition, our channel features past question, solution to questions you are likely to encounter in exam, solution to all past questions. Please kindly subscribe. All questions are solved with simplicity.